Markets are churning just a bit on Thursday. I'm here with Ken Polcari from iCap Equities. So Ken, you know, we looked like we were just starting to chug on through, rally, hit multi-year highs, and now we're kind of backing up a little. So really the question is people are feeling like, am I gonna miss this rally, or are we overdone here and now we're going to pull back? It's really hard to get a good read on this.
That's right. And so here's what I think. I definitely think, and I'll be the first one to say, I think a lot of the macro reports are clearly starting to show better results. Much more consistent, solid, improving. We're not getting that, 2 steps forward, 2 steps back anymore. We're really getting improving numbers. So that being said, I think the market's already told you that, right? We've had a really nice move. We're up 11% year to date so far. We've had a very nice move. I mean, people had 1375 and 1400 as their year-end target. So clearly, I think things are improving. Over the short term, though, I think the market has to pull back. It has to kind of do some consolidation because it's really gone straight up, right? So I think what people will find is that they will get an opportunity because a little bit like today. Today we had some more very good macro data, and you see the market's not running away. It's almost like buy the rumor, sell the news mentality, which is what we have today. The news is continuing to be good, but the market is churning and actually moving a little bit lower. Some people are taking advantage of some movement in prices. We had an explosive move this week on Tuesday with the bank stocks, right? And so people are taking advantage of that, and they're just reallocating some of the assets. I think we now have 1374 in the S&P as support, 1400 is resistance, and I think we'll churn in there for a little while till the market catches up with itself. I think, though, if you're a long-term investor, as I've always been kind of the belief, just stay to the goal and stay to the plan and keep doing it. I don't think it's a matter of missing the rally if you're looking 5 or 10 years out.
All right, but it sounds like you're definitely feeling a little more bullish than perhaps, Ken?
I'm starting to turn the corner. Now listen, this is a big move for me because I have been absolutely so bearish. But for the most part, I really like to be an optimistic person. I just found it difficult to be that way. But I have to say is now that you start to see some of these macro reports, in fact, getting better, and Europe did not implode, or at least not yet. I mean, listen, is the Greece story over yet? I don't think the Greece story is over yet at all. But it seems like, things are starting to at least get a little bit more stable, and that's a good thing.
All right, so our Polcari index indicator is starting to go a little green. All right.
This market is
Stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're getting